Hey guys, it's the Black Hiking Queen here, and today I am hiking at one of my favorite parks here in Texas, and that is Eisenhower State Park. The last time I was here, I think was last year. I think last year fall or early the beginning of this year. But anyways, I am back here and I'm checking out some of the trails here and the beach area, and I am gonna take y'all along with me. Thank you for being here and watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep up with all of my adventures. First up, we're gonna check out the beach area. You can actually swim in this area of the park, but it is pretty cold right now, so definitely not swimming weather. But I like to come out here when it's a little colder because it's more peaceful, I think. But let's check it out. This is the beach area, as you can see, and this is the area of the park that you can actually swim in. So maybe in the summer, next summer, I'll come out here and actually swim in it. But it is beautiful and just really peaceful. There's definitely lots of sand, as you can see. And this area actually features a cave, so I'm about to actually walk over there. You can kind of see it, it's like back there, but I'm gonna go check out that cave and let's go see it. I am making my way back there to check out the cave. You just have to like kind of scramble through these rocks, as you can see. So that's kind of what I'm doing right now, climbing over these rocks, trying to get to see that cave. So this is the cave, as you can see. There's a whole bunch of graffiti in it, but this is it, the cave. Hello.
Hi.
I love the view of the water from inside the cave. That always looks really nice. It is nice and cool in here, but I'm not gonna stay here too long. Gotta go check out the rest of the park too. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to keep up with all of my adventures. I will see you on the next hike.